evening, viewers. I, on behalf of Dhanu Mitra News Network, I'm here in the serene beauty of Golwad. In Golwad, a new resort has come up. It's none other than Guru Krupa Farms, Agrotourism and Resorts. Do you want to check out what exactly is there in the package? Come, let's go. जाते हैं अंदर और देखते हैं कि क्या-क्या amenities आपको ये गुरु कृपा प्रोवाइड कर रहा है. Come on, let's go. Viewers, you want to see the serene beauty of Guru Krupa Farms? Come with me. In the lush green environment where there is no pollution, as you can see, everything is around greenery. So beautiful, so peaceful. I am feeling relaxed. Hello viewers, we have entered the reception area. You can see the art over here. It's been beautifully painted. What an ambience. I am so touched. Come, let's see who is the owner of this place. Hello, good evening ma'am.
Hi, good evening. How are you?
I'm fine. You tell me, how are you feeling sitting on this place?
Very nice. I feel like, okay, yeah, I'm doing something good.
I think today I'm going to get the best weekend.
Yes.
Thank you.
Yes, you're absolutely right.
I'm back again. You can see how my friends are enjoying. As you can stay here, you can come for one-day picnic too. And what you can do? You can play badminton, and there are more things which I'm going to show you in the video. You can see the beautiful view of the swimming pool. And added advantage, this swimming pool doesn't have chlorine. This swimming pool doesn't have chlorine. So guys, you should come. You know, I've already had my pool. Still, I look so fresh. So I think people should enter this pool where you feel you don't have any skin issues, because my skin is very sensitive. But I have almost played for 2 hours and still I look fresh. So please do visit Guru Krupa Farms to have the best weekend even on weekdays. You can see my friends having the best time of their life. Making reels, enjoying to the core. Can you see how the water looks? Enjoying? Yeah! Do you recommend it? How many stars are you going to give for this place?
5 stars. 5 stars.
Oh, so guys, please do come. I tell you, you are going to have the best time of your life. Coming to
Yeah.
which place?
Guru Krupa.
Yay! Guru Krupa Farms at Golwad, under the ambience and serene beauty of Chikkuwadi. So, I have some guests who are going to stay here tonight, and I would like to ask them, why did they choose this farm, Guru Krupa?
बर्थडे पार्टीसाठी आलेले आहोत आणि खूप खूप एन्जॉय केलेलं आहे सर्वांनी. सगळ्यांना मी रेकमेंड करीन गुरुकृपा फार्म्स वर नक्की या.
सो अभी इनसे पूछते हैं इनका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा था, इनका स्टे कैसा था. सुबह से शाम अभी हो गई है, सो सुबह से शाम तक का इनका एक्सपीरियंस पूछते हैं कि कैसा है.
અમે લોકો સવારથી આજે આ બધા ગેટ ટુગેધર થયેલા છે ગુરુ કૃપા ફાર્મમાં, અને ઉબાડિયા પાર્ટી જે સિઝનલ વિન્ટર સિઝનમાં બધા જે ખાવામાં મજા આવે, અમે લોકો અહીંયા જ બનાવેલું છે ઉબાડિયા પાર્ટી, અને બધાએ બહુ એન્જોય કર્યું છે.
Friends, I have showed you everything. Now let's come to the main part, that is your staycation. Do you want to know how the rooms exactly look? I was amazed, and you people are really going to enjoy. Come with me. Hello. Hi. Please see how beautiful the decor of the room is. Just you can see, it's an AC. You can see it's AC if you want. And normally I think staying in Golwad, hardly people use AC because it is so cool and chill. In 5 minutes, our blankets are going to be out.
Yes.
You can see? Say hi friends.
Hi.
So मैं पूछना चाहूंगी जो आज इधर रात को रुकने वाले हैं, तुम्हारा एक्सपीरियंस और मुझे ये जानना है, I want to know, why did you choose Guru Krupa Farms for your weekend?
Hi, good evening. This is actually very lovely, very beautiful. You can see the rooms. It is very spacious and very easy. Like, you know, you can enjoy the each space over here. Each corner is nicely maintained and it is very, very beautiful.
Yes.
So, can you all tell me, how much will you rate the room?
I will.
Will you, okay, out of 5 stars as you rate, how much are going to rate you?
I will rate 5 stars.
Yes.
Even I.
Will raise 5.
Even I will raise 5 stars.
So guys, each and everybody present here is rating 5 star. I hope you people come, enjoy, and I know in the review you are going to rate it 5 star. Trust me, I have been staying at multiple places. I'm kind of an influencer because people do follow me, and they always ask me, what is your weekend plan? Imagine if I have chosen Guru Krupa Farms, that means you all need to come. Do you agree on this?
Yes, do come.
Please do come.
And you will not regret for coming over here.
Yes.
Yes, you'll enjoy.
Enjoying. So
enjoy.
next, these are the normal rooms, and I will take you now to the tent where you don't find it naturally in places like this. So you have 2 options. You can stay in a normal room or you can opt for a tent. We finished the cottage tent.
This is our
Now,
first
as I told you, we have come to tents.
We love
We have finished the cottage rooms. Now we are entering the tent.
बहुत अच्छा
You want to
लग
see
रहा
how
है।
the tent looks? Yeah, come in.
इधर बात करना मेरे साथ यार कुछ भी बोल।
Wow, you can see already people are enjoying their evening tea, I guess. So, hi.
Hello.
So, will you share your experience? I hope you guys have come from morning.
Yes, we have come from morning and it's so beautiful. And swimming pool also, so we have enjoyed everything.
यार मेरा
So nice
Can you
experience.
tell me what are the games or amenities you got from morning? What games exactly you played?
Many games are there, but we played badminton and carom and all.
Okay.
And we enjoy everything. It's so beautiful and nicely they have arranged it. Thank you.
So, guys, you saw what all you're getting here. So I hope you guys do come and enjoy. And let me enter the tent, which I'm very much excited. I guess somebody is already in. Knock, knock. Can I come in? Oh, wow. This is just amazing.
Yeah, actually we loved it.
I think this is one of the best tents I have come across. So, are you guys here from morning?
Yes, we are since morning and we loved it. This is our first experience.
Okay, can you just tell me how did you feel coming and staying in the tent?
This tent is giving just home-like feeling. We love that.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, it's absolutely great.
So, can you tell me how much are you going to rate this stay for?
10 out of 10.
10 on 10.
10.
Oh, that's really great. And please, friends, please do come. You have
Yeah,
2
yeah,
options.
you must.
Come to our tent.
This is great experience. We loved it. You must come here and have the experience of this tent.
So I think everywhere you've got positive reviews. Please do come. You have 2 options, cottage and tent.
Tent.
I think I will stay tonight at tent.
Tent is giving positive vibes.
And with that, it's not only this, not only games. We have a surprise. We are going to have a campfire at night.
Yeah.
Non-stop music. You have DJ. Whenever you want, you can play, dance, enjoy the best of the best food. So I think I should take you to the dining hall. Come, let's go to the dining hall.
Vivya,
Dining hall where we are going to get the scrumptious food made by today's chef. I'll just make you meet our today's chef.
ચૂલામાં કચરો નાખીને એની ઉપર બનાવવામાં આવે છે અને એ ગુજરાતી લોકોનું સુરતી લોકોનું ફેવરેટ ઉબાડિયું છે.
So viewers, you saw the dining hall. Now you want to see how this delicacy is prepared.
Prepared in matka, and we put potato, water yam, sweet potatoes, then a special type of papri beans, fresh garlic leaves, then ginger, garlic, chili, ajwain, owa, and oil, salt, everything we put in that. And a special herb which is used in this is kalahar.
Guys, you can see how it's coming out. The way she explained. You can see all the ingredients inside cooked really, really well. These people are so restless, waiting to pounce on that ubadio. Guys, you can see how much these people are enjoying.
ये तो बस शुरुआत है आइंद पार्टी शुरू हुई है
It's just amazing. ऐसा कभी मैंने टेस्ट नहीं किया.
Hi guys, all of you who are asking me where am I am at Golwad, Guru Krupa Farms. My weekend plan, I was thinking what will I do on this weekend. As we have Chiku festival in Golwad, I said let me stay somewhere near. Nothing came in my mind, but then I said there is a place where I'm going to have my weekend, and that's this amazing place. As you can see, the luscious greenery, so cool and calm, and you can see my friends over there who are having a gala time.